Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video we're going to be talking all about brow code products. Now, little disclaimer, brow code sent me these products to review. I actually, they didn't know this at the time, but I actually use brow code in my salon, in my professional life. I use them, I use their professional products. I've just swapped over to their brow lamination. I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to do it this week. And I use their tinting products. I absolutely love their tinting products. I've actually used their tinting products in a video. I'll link it up here for you. But they got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to try a couple of their products that they sell to the general public. So not so much professional products, just stuff that kind of anybody can buy. And I was like, well, yeah, I like all of your professional stuff, so I know that your other stuff will be good quality as well. I have nothing on my eyebrows at all, apart from probably a little bit of foundation. So a little bit about the brand. I'm just going to read it off what I have down here. It was founded by globally acclaimed eyebrow stylist Melanie Maris, who has over 16 years of experience. She tests each and every brow code product on herself. Obviously, it's used by thousands and thousands of professional stylists, me being one of them. And basically, they pride themselves on producing only the best brow products. Safe, high quality ingredients, and they're all cruelty-free, and the majority is vegan. So, yeah. So, what they sent was the Pomades. I hope I'm saying that right. This is, I love the package. Look at the packaging on this. I love the gold, but look at the packaging. I mean, their brow pomade, which is in a little glass jar. I haven't used a pomade in ages, so I'm really looking forward to that. But their packaging is just stunning. They sent me the brush to go with that. Again, the packaging of it, absolutely stunning. I mean, for a brush, kind of want to keep it in that. So this is the brush here. It has the little spoolie end on it, and it has a really nice brush side. It's quite a long brush side, and it is quite thin, I think. I mean, I'll see better once I've got product on it, but that looks like a really nice brush for me. And the other thing was they sent the brow pencil as well. Now, I love a brow pencil. I have millions of them. So this one obviously has a little spoolie on one side, and it is the little mechanical pencil on that side, and it looks to me like it is the teeny tiny one, which is the one I like. So what I figured I would do is I'll do one product on each side. We'll see what kind of a result they end up having, how easy they are to use, how good the brush is, stuff like that. Obviously, yes, this was sent to me free of charge to review. I'll put all the prices on the screen for you so that you can see. You will be able to go to their website as well. I'll put that in the description box below for you. It is not an affiliate link. I don't earn anything off of it if you click through it. It's just for your kind of convenience to go through that link, really, to find all these products. They sent it to me. I haven't actually physically paid for it myself, but everything's going to be honest, and you're going to see me using it anyway. Okay. I think I'm going to start with the pencil because I feel a little bit more comfortable using a pencil because it's closer to what I used just now. When I'm using a pencil like this, I like to just take both kind of sides off of it. So I've just kind of brushed them up, and there's absolutely nothing on that. I've just used the wee spoolie on the end of the pencil and literally just taken off any sort of foundation or that I got on it when I was doing my foundation. Okay, I'm really hoping that this is going to stay in focus while we do this. We'll see. So I have my little pencil. I'm going to scoot it up a little bit. And I'm just going to do sort of brush strokes. Brush strokes. Hair strokes. The shade that they sent me, was Taupe. This is probably a little light for me, to be honest, but it should still work. The shade isn't actually too bad. I'd maybe go one shade darker, but I can get away with it. It's not bad. It just sort of looks like quite natural. But I like that. That was nice and quick. and there is a brow there now. So I'll give you a little before and after. So this is a before, and this is with the pencil. I like that. I think I would definitely reach for that. Dead easy to use and really quick. Okay, so we're gonna move straight on to the brow pomade. This one is in soft brown. It's really creamy. See how there's so much pigment in that. You really don't need much of this at all. I think if you had it, it would last so long. We're just gonna go in and do, I don't know, I hate doing this side. Try to get it on camera. The brush is uber thin. This is a better colour, I would say. You can see you can get sort of hair strokes with it. Yeah, I like that product. I like the brush, I like the pomade. I definitely like the pomade more than the pencil, purely just because of the way it applies. Oh, okay, for a bolder brow too. I'm not going to do too much to it because I don't want to go too crazy. Like I say, I'm out of practice with pomades. But even though I'm out of practice, I found that really easy to apply. That is a much more like we're defined. This is a brow, sort of brow. You can obviously flip it over and take your spoolie and just sort of diffuse it just slightly. And the pomade actually is holding my brow hairs in place as well, which I like. On my hand, it's already gone stiff, if that makes any sense. It's still transferring onto my finger, but it is a lot stiffer, so that's it. It's a 24-hour thing. It is going to do that. It's going to dry down, and it is going to obviously last. It's going to be waterproof. I really like that. It's still sort of fluffy looking, but it's a lot more bold. I really like that. So we have pencil over here. Every day you can literally just throw it on. It was really quick and easy to use, and that is sort of an everyday brow for me. Wanting to go a little bit more out on the town, or just you like to wear a heavier brow, then the pomade. I think that both of them are very different products. It depends how you would want to use them. If you're somebody who doesn't bother filling in your eyebrows until you're going on a night out, maybe this would be for you. If you're somebody who does it every single day and wants a really nice light sort of brow, I think that maybe this would be more up your street. As the Imitations Micro Brow Pencil and the Cremades 24-hour brow pomade. I think it's because it's a creamy pomade, maybe? Cremades? Creamy pomade? Yeah, I like that. The brush is fantastic. It goes so insanely thin. I don't know if I'm able to show you that. Super thin. This is by far and away now my favourite brow brush because none of them have ever been able to, I'm even looking, none of them have ever been able to go that thin and make it so easy to use a pomade before. So yes, they're winning with this. Okay, so I think that is pretty much it. 100% recommend. Obviously, if you enjoyed and you want to get your hands on some of these products, I will list them in the description box for you with links where you can go and purchase everything. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!